Through the week, and once again, it's time for The Law and You, brought to you by attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, it is nice to be sitting next to you on the stage today.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
All right, we've got a question for one of our viewers that it's time to help solve. Sally in Drums wants to know, my fiance and I broke up. We both put money towards the engagement ring. He is saying I have to give it back to him. I am telling him that we have to split it. Who is right here, Sally or the fiance?
Sally, this is not good. You know, sorry that things are going south, but it sounds like you guys are going to have to split this. I think you're right on this. If you both paid for the ring, then you're going to have to sell it and split the proceeds of it. I don't see any way around.
No, I don't.
Around this
I kind of agree. I mean, you always hear possession's 9/10 of the law. That's not going to hold up here. I mean, if both parties can verify what they paid into the ring, how much the ring cost, you know, it's going to be a simple, either you guys work it out or you're going to be a magistrate court, you know, airing all your business all over the court. So it's probably easier just to sell the ring or work it out if you want to keep it. Come up with some solution, I would recommend, because
sell the ring and move on.
Yeah, it's probably time.
Sell the ring and move on.
All right, so our viewers who may need your legal advice, what's the best way to reach you guys?
They call us at 570-714-HURT. They can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page, and if you have any questions like this, put them on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on the upcoming segment.
All right, Results Matter, award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks. We'll see you again next time.
You got it.
All right, you can submit your question to The Law and You two ways. You could go to pahomepage.com, or don't forget the hotline. It's always open. We're talking today about a situation involving a tractor-trailer crash. Our experts when it comes to injuries and accidents are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks for being here today.
Nobody ever calls us experts.
Well, once in a while we have to give you some credit. All right, let's get to the question. This one is from Harry in Kingston. We were hit by a tractor-trailer driver that doesn't speak and cannot read English. How does a driver like this get on the road? Can we sue his company for allowing him to drive? So what is the situation here? Can anything be done legally?
Yeah, Harry, to answer your first question, we say, how does a driver like this get on the road? Actually, some states actually give the test in other languages. Now, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations, which govern interstate trucking travel, mandate that somebody has to be able to read and speak English. So the company should not be putting this guy on the road, especially driving a tractor trailer, because the road signs are in English, and so he's got to know and be able to read those road signs in order to be able to operate that truck safely.
Right, and the thing we found out in handling a lot of these tractor trailer cases is that there is a driver shortage. So what you're seeing is truck companies are just putting anybody behind the wheel to move their freight. So that's how they're getting there. Is it legal? No. Will you be able to hold the driver and the company accountable? Absolutely, because it's 100% unacceptable for have this type of driver on the road. So you need to get to an attorney who handles it and file suit immediately.
Yeah. All right, for our viewers that may need your legal advice, what's the best way to get in touch with you guys?
They call us at 570-714-HURT. They can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And Greg's right. Get to somebody that handles these cases. Do not delay, because we've seen the drivers leave the country. I mean, it's really important that you preserve the evidence.
All right, some important advice. Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thank you. PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your best ways to get a question right here on The Law and You.